Alright, we've got an interesting setup today. I'm looking at the market. Hopefully we can get something quick and early. Love to short this market, but I don't, it's already been down already. I think the better play is to go long at the open here. Alright, so I'm looking for 80 ticks basically on one trade. That'll move me to the next level. Make sure we get something on the trade itself. In case the market wants to come back down in a hurry. Not a huge fan of longs, as you well know. Those who've been watching me know that I'm not a huge fan of a long trade because they like to come back just a little bit more and then go back up again, and they just don't offer a lot of opportunity unless the market moves quickly in your favor, like hopefully this one is doing right now. We're trading S2 to S3. I don't really like being long at that level. So that's it. That'd be all she wrote to the long right now. Let's pause this video and see what happens here in a few minutes. There it comes away. Now, hold on, look at that sucker coming back down. Just don't know which way it wants to go. That was the opening side of it. The low right now is actually at 58, looks like 58.47. Alright, so right now it looks like it gets down below here. It's going to come down for a little bit. Perhaps. Those look back trades, right? This is the look back side of the trade, right? It stayed above this. Here's your GAN trying to set up here. Do something like that. You want to at least get back to here. Hopefully push down lower. It's kind of the overall goal I'm looking at right now. Alright, so let's pause the video here. We'll be back in a couple minutes and see how things set up. If I want to trade anymore or not. Alright, we're trying to catch something here. I'm on radio, I'm on audio, I'm on video, but I'm not televising it, just showing it.
Wait, you're on video right now?
Yeah, I'm recording. No, I'm not on video. I was having bunion surgery, for those that care. Looking for a move down to the lows again. Like Mama's here. That would be there at my mama from Pennsylvania. My wife's mother. Got to go to the doctor's today. See if we can get this trade in before we have to go. Up 270 right now, up 280. We need what? What do we need? Roughly 58.37 if we can go move on. So we can get that before we leave. Go to the lows down there at 58.47. Lock in, well, we're going to lock in 5. Let's lock in 5. Make it a positive day no matter what now. Oh, that's Annabelle if you can hear her. More doggies. Alright, so now let's see if we can bust this low right here and come on down. See if the 5,900 level can hold for a while. Nope. She's going to be lazy and not come up the steps, is she? A little bit more of retracement.
Okay, so we're leaving at 9:30.
59.04. So be here by 9:30.
No, we're leaving.
Well, you're not ready. The dogs still need to go out.
I'm ready.
Alright, so that kind of, I don't know, maybe got one more up move before down. That was pretty strong there, though. Now, doctor's appointment time here. I gotta get the dogs out and doctor's appointment, so I'm running out of time. Now they're definitely trying to form a bottom here. The pull this chart over. Longer term time frame, you can really see a nice scan signal. 1, 2, 3, and then that would have been the fourth time coming down and stopped. So this could warrant the market going the other direction right now. You would think that would have been the one that would break. Fourth time holds. Might be going back this way for a while. Alright, so I'm going to pause the video here and we'll take a look. I got a doctor's appointment to take my mother-in-law to today. So I think the short might be done right now. Puts a big question mark in this trade right now. This is a 333 tick chart, by the way. Shows you a little bit better off where the market's doing. Here's your low that came in at 604, roughly, in the morning. And you see it's being supported all the way through here. Alright, so I'll come back. Hopefully I'll be back by the 1:30 mark and we'll look at the afternoon session. We'll be able to look at that. Be back in a bit. So afternoon session, I might have caught the tiger by the tail here. We'll see. Came in on this movement right in here into the last half hour of trading to 1 to 1:30. I'm looking for hopefully a retest the lows and get a little bit lower. Another extension movement. That'd be easier to see it on here. How far can it extend down in the last half hour? If we get lucky and it really wants to extend, so that's that. Where's 100% at right now? So 100%'s down here. So breaking the low, and hopefully we can get underneath this a little bit, and then we'll. I'm looking at 32,000 roughly is what I'm hunting for right now. So I need another roughly what, 500 bucks, 50 ticks from here roughly to get to that. We're at 84, 85 right now. If it'll go. Make new low down here. Press down a little bit into close. No. Well, that puts us that much closer to target. Talked about yesterday where I thought the market could fall to, and that pretty much did that, right? We pull over this chart that I was using yesterday. I was talking about this GAN signal here. Now, I wouldn't have been able to trade it until when the market reopened. But look at that nice downward movement. There's your GAN signal that I was talking about yesterday. Nice positional trade, by the way, that I got into. Being able to take advantage of this coming back down here. Just got a trailing contract on now, positionally speaking. But just you see these patterns over and over again, and you just want to take advantage of them when you see them. continuation patterns is what I call this. The ABC correction right now we're in. We still haven't went down. I don't believe A is complete with the retracement yet. I don't think we've been able, I mean, I don't think this is B yet. It could be. This could have been A right here, and then a B on a minor retracement going down to C right now. That could be a minor retracement looking at the 15-minute chart. So you have your A pattern coming down, your B, little small a, little b, small c on the retracement side. So be interested to see how this market closes out today. I got out a little bit too early there. We'll see. That market went back up to 5802. I wasn't expecting it to get back up to the 5800 level. I was thinking we had already tested it through here, so I didn't think that we were coming back, but obviously I'm wrong. So this little blip right here took me out. Little fake out action basically, right? Fake out coming, the Crude move is down. It's starting to get violent here at the last half hour of trading. We're in with the last 14-15 minutes of trading right now. I was hoping the market would just go down without looking back there at the end of the day, at least for a while until it got down to the lows. I want to pause here. If I see anything more I want to do, I'll let you know. There it goes. That little hiccup right there caught me. Oh, I just held. Pretty dangerous now, this part of the trading day. Can be very profitable into the last 10 minutes. Both sides of it. Look at that coming back, fighting all the way back. Alright, so if I would have stayed in short, where would I have got out? That's the question right now. I don't think I would have allowed myself to take this fake out back up through here and taken all this without taking some gain in the trade. I've been looking at getting to 32,000 definitely. If I could have got to that on this movement down here, I would have taken it. Which I think would have been close. I don't think it would have made it completely. went to 56. I needed about 700 coming in. 99. No, it wouldn't have been close enough. It would have been about $400 profit roughly. 450 on the day. 500. 40 ticks will bring it up to about 660, 60, around $600 profit. And taking it out down here, I still would have needed about another $200-300 to go on next level. Right now, when it looks like I'm going to close the day out at 31,463.1. It's not bad. It's okay. I can deal with that. We've been striking range of 32 right now. Today was day 11 for me, by the way. You're keeping count. We got plus 26 ticks. And we're at 31,463.1. So within striking range now, 32,000. That's 31,463.1. We're at 536 divided by 10. Say 537 divided by 10. Need about 55 ticks to win here. Notice I'm not even considering trades right now. I was going to consider anything and be into the last 5 minutes of the trading session. Thinking if the market could fall in the last 5 minutes quickly. Meaning 125 to 130. Might have them. There it goes. Might be worth one shot here. Keep a very tight stop on this sucker. Once it breaks a little bit here. See if the last 5 minutes can just fall right now. Go for new lows. Keep one eye on 32,000 as well while we're at it. Nope, came back. Got caught in another stupid one. Sometimes the market doesn't know where the bottom is and it'll just have a free fall into the last 5 minutes. It could be doesn't happen very often, but know that it can happen, I guess, in a sense. Looks like the market's going to try to settle around that $58 handle right now. All right, we're at 5 trades and we're at plus 28. So that'll guess we get to add a little bit more profit to the trade. 479. That's what a pencil's good for. So you can change your numbers. So we're at 31,479.4. We're going to be on. Nah, we're not going to get it. Nah. To know what to do and it does it. Yeah, there you go. There's that last couple of minutes. Look at that violent. Look at that violent move right there, though. Woo! Right back. Even if you got into it, you got knocked out of that one anyway. Very violent in the last couple of minutes. What you're really looking for those last 5 minutes. So if you're looking at trading that, we've been looking at this sucker just having a fallout. 12p target would have put it at roughly the 56.55 handle. That's kind of where I would have been looking for the market to fall back to, around that level. Today, from the high of 61.35, we've been as low as 57.32. We've been down 10p today. It's a pretty good day. Went down 10p, and that's equivalent out to actually 400 ticks. That's $4,000 per contract from high to low, by the way. If you could have caught the high at 61.35 down to the low, just posting earlier, would have been what, 57.32. That wasn't the low here. It was back this way a little bit. 57.32, and catching that low, you could have got high to low 400 ticks. Obviously, you would have been looking at taking something away from the middle of that trade. So if you could have held the whole session, some good trading going on there. Good short side trading. All right, they'll do it for me. I'm not going to worry about the last. I think we're at the 130 mark anyway right now, close to it. All right, I'm out of here. Bye now.